Okay, let's go.
I'm Heather Zaccone, owner at Reflex Tuning here in Hooksett, New Hampshire. We are the premier Audi and Volkswagen service facility in all New Hampshire. From oil changes, tire changes, brakes, suspension repair, we are your dealership alternative. The automotive industry gets a bad rap. We are here to truly help our customers, and that's what keeps me motivated every single day. We have been in business since 2007. If you found us online, you'll see the excellent reviews and what the customers say. Our customers mean the world to us. They're not just a number. It is not about the business. It's truly about taking good care of every single person that walks in the door and taking good care of their vehicle. We take a different approach to how car care should be. Our state-of-the-art digital inspection process that we've been doing for over 10 years now is extremely detailed, and our customers love it. Our customers enjoy our free loaner vehicles, our before and after pickup boxes, and we have multiple financing options. So if you're looking for the best car care possible, keep us in mind and come be part of our family. Make your next appointment online, call or text. I'll be happy to take care of you.